At the University of California, our motto is Fiat Lux, or Let There Be Light. And the light of human creativity is continuously changing the way we work. I'm constantly inspired by the ingenuity of UC employees as they carry out the mission of the university with excellence and efficiency. There's so much we can learn from each other, and many ways for us to grow together. Process Palooza provides that opportunity each year. It's a wonderful incubator for business innovation and continuous improvement at UC and beyond. At this university, we encourage curiosity and creativity. We want our staff to ask questions and to feel free to rethink the way we do things. And we value the gifts of talent that our staff bring to the workplace every day. I hope you will consider attending this year's Process Palooza on March 28th and 29th at UC San Diego. Any one of us could be the spark for the next great innovation at the University of California. Thank you for being part of our forward momentum, and bring on those great ideas.